Hello everyone, welcome to Tomato News. Today we'll share the weather, a cooking recipe, and a fun game report. Let's begin the weather in Seoul. Here's our weather forecaster Oliver.
Hello, I'm Oliver. I tell you about the weather in Seoul. This week, the low temperature is expected to be between 17 and 22 degrees Celsius. The high temperature will be between 26 and 33 degrees Celsius. It's quite hot this week, so please stay cool and drink lots of water. That's all from me. Back to the studio.
Thank you, Oliver. Now let's go to the kitchen. Our reporter Alex will show us how to cook something delicious.
Hi, I'm Alex. Today I'll show you how to make shrimp fried rice. First, break one egg and chop some green onion and carrot. Heat the pan, add oil and cook the egg for a few seconds. Then add the vegetables and shrimp serve well. Next, add rice and mix everything together. 1 spoon of oyster sauce and stir again. And that's it, shrimp fried rice is ready. Thank you for watching. Back to the studio.
Thank you, Alex. It looked really yummy. Now let's move on to our game report. Ben will tell us about the top 3 games teenagers like.
Hi, I'm Ben. I researched teenagers' favorite games. Let's begin. Number 10 is Maple Story World. I don't know this game. Number 9 is Awesome. I've never heard of it. Number 8 is Maple Story. I've heard of it, but I don't know how to play it. Number 7 is Dungeon and Fighter. Number 6 is Overwatch. I want to try it. Number 5 is Surge Attack. I like shooting games, so I want to try it. Number 4 is FC Online. I like soccer games. Number 3 is Battlegrounds. I played it on my phone. It's fun. Number 2 is Valorant. I really like it. I played it every day. And number 1 is League of Legends. People call it LOL. That's it from me. Thanks for listening. Bye.
Thank you for watching Tomato News. We hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye bye.